What's up? Nothing. I just wanna do a couple wheelies.
No.
Yes.
Not right here.
Please?
No.
I at least need to drive it around.
No wheelies.
I need to drive it around a little bit.
Hank, this is a neighborhood.
I'm just gonna like literally drive it down there and come back.
You cannot pop wheelies.
Okay.
Hank.
I won't.
This is an apartment complex.
I'm not gonna be doing like 50-mile-an-hour wheelies or something.
Alright, whatever.
This thing can barely do 50 miles an hour.
Okay.
I'm serious.
Sounds good.
Okay.
I'm going to take a nap.
Okay, have fun.
Don't die.
I'm not gonna. I'm a trained professional, okay?
Right, yeah.
I am. On this thing, I am, pretty much.
You haven't ridden it in years.
It's like riding a bike. She doesn't know what she's talking about.